In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get XAUUSD on Metatrader 5. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need so gold shows up in your platform and you can open its price chart without any confusion. Start by opening the Market Watch window, which is the control center for all tradable symbols. In MT5, go to the View menu and choose Market Watch, or use the shortcut Ctrl+M. You'll see a panel appear, usually on the left. This list displays the instruments your broker makes available and is where you enable or hide symbols. Next, make sure you're actually seeing everything your broker offers. Right-click anywhere inside the Market Watch panel and choose Symbols. Depending on your MT5 build, you may also see a Show All option. Either action brings up the full instrument list. This step matters because many brokers hide less common symbols by default, so gold might simply be out of view. Now, find gold. In the Symbols window, browse categories such as Forex, metals, or commodities. Look for entries named XAUUSD, XAUUSD, or slight variations like XAUUSD, DEM, DAY, or .pro, since naming can differ by broker. If you don't see it immediately, click Show All within the Symbols window to reveal hidden instruments. If XAUUSD still doesn't appear, your account type or server might not include it, and it's worth checking with your broker's support to confirm availability for your login. Once you've located the correct symbol, add it to your watch list. Select the XAUUSD entry and click Show or OK. You should now see XAUUSD listed in Market Watch, typically with live bid and ask prices updating. If the quotes remain inactive or grayed out, the market might be closed for that instrument, or your account may not be authorized to trade it. With the symbol visible, open the chart. Double-click SD in Market Watch to pop up a fresh chart window, or right-click it and choose Chart Window. From there, set your preferred time frame using the toolbar, add indicators if needed, and adjust the chart style to suit your analysis. These visual changes don't affect whether the symbol is enabled. They only change how you view the data. This same process works for other indices and commodities as well. For example, the S&P 500 often appears as US 500, SPX 500, or a broker-specific code. Because symbol names and contract specifications vary, it's a good idea to review details like trading hours, spreads, and margin before you place any trades. And that's all it takes to get XAUUSD onto your Metatrader 5 platform and open its chart.